Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And let me put the please in there, please. Alright my peeps, so it's highly requested from some or maybe most of my followers. They want me to make more vegan, vegetarian recipe, alright? The healthier way or healthier choice. I'm going to make some fried cabbage with plantain, and I'm going to cook some coconut rice. Alright, very healthy and delicious. So we're going to start off. I already have one carrot, and what I did, I just cut them slant. Alright, and then I just cut them in strips. Okay, thin strips. And I have my bowl here, and I'm just gonna put them in here for a little bit. I washed it already. And I'm just gonna cut my onion. Two stalks of scallion. I washed them already. Something like so. I have tomato and cucumber, but I'm gonna serve those raw. I'm gonna use half of the cabbage. First, just go ahead and take out this part and get it over with. I'm gonna lean it like this, guys, and just cut it in. Something like so. And guys, I like to take out the hard parts. Like if you find out there's too hard, like some part of the middle too hard, like these, I take them out. Okay, like these, I take them out. All right, this piece too. I'm gonna cook the rice first. I have some basmati rice, any rice of your choice will do, and I put some water in it. I'm gonna put some coconut milk. You need about a cup or half cup, whatever you have at home. And I'm using, you can use the canned one or the powdered one, whatever you have. Okay, I have a little bit more than a cup of mixed vegetable. I'm gonna put some green onion or scallion. All right, just a handful. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons, sorry, 2 of olive oil. You can't forget the salt, guys. I'm gonna put like 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I have my blended seasoning, and I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. I'm gonna give this a little mix, and you want to cook this. All right, let it come to a boil. It's easy and simple, guys. You can also fry up the vegetable first, and then you add the rice and cover it up, make it simmer. Either or, same thing. If you want a little bit of color to it, you can add like half teaspoon or a teaspoon. I'm gonna put a teaspoon. Put 1 teaspoon. About that of curry powder. Usually I would make my curry burn in the oil, but that's okay. Just a little bit of color won't hurt. All right. Now we're gonna let this cook. You can put turmeric if you want. Now my peeps, to add a little bit more flavor to it, I'm gonna go in and I can't break it, guys. Wait, tough. Oh my god. 1 veggie cube. No son, no man, it's too tough. Let me just use this and press it. Whew, that's better. Holy mother. All right. You're gonna put that in. Whoa, this is gonna add more flavor to the coconut veggie rice. You can even put some cock soup in it too. Alright, 1/4 pack or half pack of cock soup. Can't forget the pimento. Alright guys, I have pimento in the blended season, but I'm gonna put some fresh one. Alright, and that's it, nothing more. Alright my peeps, we're gonna take a look at it. So that's the goodness right there. Alright, and what you want to do now, cover it with some foil, turn your stove down, let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, and it's all good. And just squeeze it like this, next style. I'm gonna fry my plantain before I cook my cabbage, because I want to serve my cabbage hot. Okay, so here goes. Let me move it down so you can see it. All right, cut the two ends off. Just core the side and peel it. All right, there's many ways you can fry your plantain. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set it like this, and I'm gonna cut it slant. I want to continue to do it like this. All right, let's fry up some plantain. Put some olive oil to fry it. My cold press, I'm only using olive oil guys, because I'm gonna eat it. And you don't want too much, about maybe 2 tablespoons. Oopsie. Anyhow guys, just tilt it over so you get some oil. Either the stove or the pot, no level. I don't know which one. Alright, something like so. So now we're gonna let this side fry up. We're gonna take a look at the rice. So we're gonna turn the stove off. After you fry them up like that, nice golden brown, just let them drain off the excess oil over here. And some paper towel. And that's it. I put the oil that I was using to fry the plantain in it, so about a tablespoon. I'm gonna add another teaspoon in it also. All right, I'm gonna fry up the onions and the scallion. I'm gonna put some of my blended seasoning, about a teaspoon. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of my garlic paste. I don't want it fried too much. I still want a little bit of crunchiness in it. Over here I have my bell peppers. Some of them were in the freezer, and I have my carrots. I'm gonna dump that in. You want to put the cabbage last, okay? Saute this a little bit. I'm gonna add some salt, about half teaspoon of salt, some black pepper. I have 2 Maggi cubes. I'm gonna add one now and one when I put the cabbage. I'm gonna add it over here. This is my thyme. I'm gonna put a little bit of my dry thyme, and that's it. All right, I have 2 pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper. Store that in. When you find that your carrot cook, so good. Add our cabbage. Then I'm gonna put the rest of my Maggi cube or veggie stock. Just give this a little stir. So guys, see, I'm gonna give this another 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the stove off. It's all ready. The stove is off, and this is ready to serve up. All right. All right, my peeps, look at my rice. Woo, woo. Can you see the goodness, guys? Yeah. It smells so good with the coconut milk in it, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my god, the rice is so shelly and nice. You can't see it, guys? I hope you're seeing it. Oh, it smells so good. So just press it down a little. Alright, and we're gonna plate it like sideways. Woo! There you go. You see the goodness? Look at that. We're gonna plate some up. Something like that, guys. I think I'm gonna put the plantain right here. About 4 pieces. I have some tomatoes. I'm just gonna put 2 pieces, and I'm gonna put some cucumber. Not much. And that's what I'm gonna serve up. All right, guys, now I'm gonna just top it off with a little bit of parsley flakes. And this is it, my steamed cabbage or fried cabbage, coconut rice, plantain, and my tomato and cucumber right there. Okay, all right, super healthy, super yummy. All right, my peeps, you have a good day. Bye, guys. Let me go a little bit close so you can see it. Shelly belly rice, guys. You can put some lettuce in it if you want to. I'm gonna taste it for you. Oh my goodness. My basmati rice, shelly and nice. Oh my goodness. Watch the pepper, guys. Oh my goodness. And with the carrot in it, it gives it a little bit of sweet taste. Oh my goodness. Oh, hot. I hope you like this one, guys. Have a good day.